Hi, I'm Bill Ross. I'm one of the owners of Anago of Western PA. Since 2004, we've been providing excellent commercial cleaning services for all kinds of industries in and around the Pittsburgh area. Doctor's offices, gyms, office buildings, car dealerships, and a whole lot more. Our clients value our robust list of services like carpet and floor deep cleaning, our green cleaning program, and our proprietary protection plus disinfection options. But what really sets us apart from our competition is our customer service. We're not just a cleaning company, we're your cleaning partner. We care about your needs, preferences, and satisfaction. We're flexible, reliable, and responsive. We work around your schedule, not ours. Whether you need us after hours, on weekends, or on short notice, we are always ready to serve you. We'll plan a walkthrough of your facility, learn about your property, listen to your concerns, and design a plan that's perfect for you. You're in charge. We have a proven track record of delivering high-quality commercial cleaning services every time, with happy clients all over Western Pennsylvania. Let us do the same for you. Give us a call today.